What if I told you there's an animal that looks like a fox, walks like a deer, smells like weed, and is actually a wolf? Sounds fake, right? Well, meet the MaazZ wolf, one of the most mysterious and misunderstood creatures on Earth. It's not a fox, not a wolf, and not a dog. It's something entirely unique. From its haunting calls to its bizarre diet, this animal is truly like no other. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of the MaazZ wolf, nature's most confusing predator. So first things first, what exactly is a maned wolf? Scientifically known as Chrysocyon brachyurus, the maned wolf is a canid, meaning it belongs to the dog family. But here's the twist. It's not closely related to wolves, foxes, coyotes, or jackals. It's in its own unique genus, making it an evolutionary loner in the animal kingdom. Basically, it's a living fossil, a leftover from ancient times when South America had very different ecosystems. Physically, it stands out instantly. Long, slender, stilt-like legs, reddish-orange fur, a black mane, and a fox-like face. But don't be fooled, it's not a giant fox. Its features evolved to help it see over tall grasses in the savannas where it lives. The MaazZ wolf is native to South America, mostly found in Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, Bolivia, and parts of Peru. It prefers open grasslands, scrublands, and savannas, not forests. Why the long legs? Simple. These open landscapes have tall grass, and standing taller helps it spot prey and danger more easily. Unlike true wolves, it's solitary. It doesn't live in packs. Maned wolves hunt and travel alone, often only meeting others to mate. And here's something weird. It marks territory with urine. That smells like cannabis. Yeah, you heard that right. Zoo visitors have even reported smelling weed near the exhibit, all thanks to this animal. You might think it's a carnivore like most wolves, but nope. The maned wolf is an omnivore, meaning it eats plants and animals. Its favorite food? A strange fruit called the wolf apple, a tomato-like fruit that makes up a big chunk of its diet. In fact, scientists believe the fruit and the MaazZ wolf have a mutual relationship. The wolf spreads the seeds through its poop, helping the plant grow elsewhere. Apart from fruits, it hunts rodents, rabbits, birds, frogs, and even insects. But here's the twist. It doesn't chase like wolves do. Instead, it stalks quietly and pounces like a fox. That's why people often call it a fox on stilts. Maned wolves are monogamous, meaning they often form lifelong pairs, but here's the catch. They don't live together. They live in separate territories, but during mating season, they come together, mate, and raise pups. Their communication is eerie. They don't howl like wolves. They use a sound called a roar bark, a deep, booming call that travels long distances through open land. It sounds haunting in the wild, almost like a ghost wolf is calling out. Today, the maned wolf is classified as near threatened by the IUCN. The biggest threats? Habitat destruction due to farming and urban expansion roadkills. Many die crossing highways and dog-transmitted diseases like distemper and parvovirus. Several organizations in South America are working to protect this species through breeding programs, awareness campaigns, and habitat protection. You might even spot them in some zoos around the world, but they remain rare. So the next time someone shows you a fox or a wolf, tell them about the maned wolf, an animal that looks like it came out of a fantasy book. Long legs, spooky calls, plant-loving diet, and a mysterious aura that makes it one of the most unique mammals on the planet. Let's protect animals like these, because Earth still has so many strange wonders to show us. Thanks for watching MaazZ View. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wild stories from the animal kingdom.